to see a bungalow which you can buy around Ajah, Sangotedo, down to Lekki Phase 1, you need serious connection. In fact, that connection they are looking for, you have seen it. Welcome to Civic Residence. Now, this property is located right here in Adesanya, Ajah, and we have land and building options selling right here in this property. We have 500 square meters selling, and we also have 300 square meters selling right here. And also, we have building options. We have 2-bedroom bungalow. We have 2-bedroom bungalow plus BQ. We have 3-bedroom bungalow. And also, we have 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in this property. Now, initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can spread your balance up to 12 months, and the price is all inclusive, meaning that you're paying for the prices of the property and also the prices for the documentation. So in a short while, I'm going to flip this camera and I will show you the level of development which we've been able to achieve. Mind you, this project started June this year, and August this year, look at the level of development. Our gatehouse is standing, our drainage system is standing. In fact, we've almost completed like 50% or 60% of our buildings right here, meaning that the developers of this property seriously mean business. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, it's a pleasure to have you. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to your loved one. I've successfully helped clients both in Nigeria and diaspora to secure that genuine property. So follow me while I do this. Okay guys, like I said, welcome to Civic Residence located right here in Ajah, Adesanya. So you can see our gatehouse is standing, and also we've interlocked our entrance. This is going to be our visitors car park. The road leading to this place is accessible. As you can see, it's interlocked. So let me go in to show you what we have right here. Remember, we have land selling here, and also we have building options, bungalows. And you know one thing about bungalow is to get a bungalow around this axis is usually very difficult, because a lot of developers don't like building bungalows around here. No, it usually comes with a lot of space. So let's go in, guys. So guys, this is our gatehouse. These are our 2-bedroom bungalow right here in this estate, and this is our 3-bedroom. So you can see our 2-bedroom bungalow. Let me go inside. Let me show you the inside. So it's still under construction. Still under construction. So this is our living area. See how spacious it is. So this is rooms. All our rooms are all en suite. See how spacious it is. Still under construction. Mind you, this project started June this year, and August, this is what we've been able to accomplish. So I just needed to just show you the interior of our 2-bedroom, so you will have a view of how it looks like. So let's go over. Let me give you a quick overview of how the estate, the layout is going to look like. On our left hand side, we're going to have our 2-bedroom bungalow, while on our right hand side, we're going to have our 3-bedroom bungalow. The 2-bedroom bungalows stretch from this building down to that place. So let's walk down. And remember, with an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you have the option of spreading your balance up to 12 months. We have a 12-month flexible payment plan, so you don't need to break the bank for you to own the property right here. Or if you've not put all your money, you've not had your money all together, you can make an initial deposit of 10 million naira and you spread your balance. And remember, the title on this is a government allocation CFO. So this is where our 3-bedroom will be standing. Our 4-bedroom is behind where our 3-bedroom is. So let me show you where we have our plots of land. We have 500 square meters and 300 square meters selling right here, but it's limited plot, so it's first come, first serve. So this is it, guys. And this property is close to major landmarks like Lagos Business School, Sky Mall, and many more. Novari shopping mall is not far from this place. So this is where our land is. Let me walk down so you see where. So this is where we're going to have our land. See, the perimeter fencing is done already. We fenced the entire estate. So this is where our 3-bedroom is. So let me take you to where we're going to have our 4-bedroom. So this estate is a fully serviced estate. We're going to be providing maximum security, portable water, internal road network, 24 hours electricity, all for your convenience. Okay, let's go. So this is our 3-bedroom. Let's see, it's massive. So this is our 4-bedroom duplex. It's at the foundation level. So this right here is our 4-bedroom duplex, still on the foundation level. So this estate is located in an already developed area in Ajah, and it's close to major landmarks. So smart investor, this is the best time for you to key into this project. One of the best time to own a property, especially in Lagos, is to buy at off-plan when it's an off-plan project, because it gives you the opportunity to invest. Like, you have a flexible payment plan when you can spread your balance. If you don't have all your money put together, you can make your initial deposit and spread your balance up to 12 months, and the payment on it is all inclusive, meaning that you are paying for the property and also for the documentation. So as you can see, we're going to have 2 entrances. This will be the one of the entrance, and down there at the back we'll have the exit. So wow, I'm amazed with the level of work under 3 months, and look at the developments. Like, most of the buildings have gone past the foundation level. Even our fully detached is at the raft foundation level. So if you ask me, this is a good opportunity for you to invest in this property. So call the number that is showing on your screen to secure. Either you want to buy a land and build your choice house, or you want to key into any of our bungalows. Just call the number on your screen and I'll bring you here for inspection. And if you're not available for physical inspection, I also do virtual inspection. So till I come your way next time, thank you. God bless.